Hey guys, today I've got a Maytag oversized capacity washer and electric dryer. Both of them are in excellent condition, and I've got this guy running actually pretty heavy load on the regular cycle, and it's agitating right now. You can hear it agitating. If you've got a front load machine, you may not be used to that noise, but that noise actually tells you that the agitator is in fact working the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to move one direction freely and then not the other. Or some of them, like this machine's belt driven, so the belt actually drives it one way and then the other. And that agitation is actually how you get your clothes clean. One way you can tell that you overfilled the machine is exactly what it looks like here, where the water doesn't come above the clothes. So I actually put too many clothes in here, and for one-time use, that's not too big a deal. I do that specifically for testing purposes, to put a heavy load on there, just so that I can hear everything and make sure everything works good after I've been through the machine and checked everything electronically and mechanically. So 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. Everything has to work perfectly before it leaves my care. And that way I do these videos so that you know, as if you were standing here yourself testing it out, that everything works good, and when you get it home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to let this advance through its cycle, and I'll show you, of course, that the pump works. Then you'll get to see it on a high-speed spin, and I'll show you that it's nice, smooth, sounds great, and works perfectly. So we'll come back for that. Okay, and we just got out of the wash cycle, rinsed out the water, so now it's going to fill back up, go through the rinse portion, and it's on its high-speed rinse spin. The moment you can see it's nice, smooth. I'm not going to lift the lid up on this one. You're really not supposed to interrupt those cycles, but I will on the final spin. That way you can see the tub spinning nice and fast. But I just wanted you to be able to hear that first spin on the rinse cycle. Alright, and here we go into that final spin cycle. It's draining out all the water now, which you can hear. So it's working on draining that water out, and then it's going to get up to a full speed spin. When I lift the lid up, the safety switch, the lid switch, is going to engage and shut it down, but you will be able to see that it is spinning nice and fast. So I'm going to give it a sec to drain and get up to full speed. Okay, and we're now up to full speed on that spin cycle. You can see it's got nice, smooth operation. Sounds great. Very quiet. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this up. It actually has a brake that it engages, and it brings the machine to a stop. And it's going to kick back in and get back up to speed. There you have it. Once it's done spinning the water out of those clothes, I'm going to move it over just to the dryer and show you that the dryer works. Alright guys, this is the matching electric dryer. I wanted to show you without clothes in it here real quick. Light works, very clean on the inside, oversized capacity, so you can fit a lot of clothes in there. I'm going to go ahead and move those clothes over and show you that it sounds great and works great, and we'll show you that it heats appropriately too. Alright, now I've got those clothes going in the dryer. You can see nice, smooth operation. Sounds great. There's no weird noises or anything like that, anything you'd want to listen for. Then I've got my temperature gun here, and it's going to show us whatever we shoot the two lasers on. Right in the middle, it's going to take a temperature reading. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Right inside the heating element tube there, we're going to go ahead and grab a temperature reading. You see it's nice and hot coming out of that tube. The heating element is below it in the back there. Heat comes up out of this tube. Then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just depends on what you have the heat setting at. Of course, you can do delicates and things that you don't want to get too hot. You have plenty of options here, so we'll go ahead and just hit go. And there you have it. That's going to be it for this washer and dryer. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, but now you know when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work great. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.